Find the straight bar in the gym, put that cable all the way down to the bottom, step forward, put your hands by your side, turn your hands, and grab the bar. Perfect, stand right there, slightly bend your knees, shoulders back and down. Look at her back, it's nice and straight. Wrists are going to be straight while she's curling. Go ahead, start curling. Look at her arms, they're not swaying back and forth, they're nice and solid. Her elbows are tucked in, her wrists are straight. Face is nice and straight. She's not looking around, she's not waddling back and forth. Now watch, sway your arms. Now when you sway your arms, starts working your anterior deltoid, you can put pressure on your back, you lose all control. So go ahead, tighten them up now. Now it's all in her biceps. It's nice and steady. It's not moving. Shoulders are engaged back and down. Breathe in on the way down. Blow out on the way up. You want to go down as far as your lap right here. So you can touch your thighs and go all the way up. If you pass your thigh, watch the arm straightens out. No good. Takes pressure off the bicep. Puts pressure in the elbow. So slightly bend again. If you go all the way up, then you go down. Right there is perfect. It's still slightly bent. Then you come up. That bicep is working hard.